boards mine, she's a steel river into the light. See through the rails of hope, they never fade for the hills she was built to stay.
Hey guys, it's Canadian Pacific 9631 Rail Fan, and today I have wonderful news. I got two wonderful things today. I got a Canadian Pacific book by the National Railroad Museum, and I got an Athearn Genesis AC44 with the original CP Rail paint scheme. Today is such a wonderful day, and I do want to thank my parents and a few of my friends for cooperating with me on getting this, and I think it's a wonderful, wonderful train. Now, let's go over to the details of this beautiful locomotive, and we will now start the review on this train. Sorry if I'm a little too close for you guys. Those are the trucks. Now let's start off with the paint. Over here we have the American and Canadian flag paint scheme look. And we have the number 9517. The hand railings are plastic and metal mix. You got the air vents here. You got the side vents at the back. Now, on the cover of the book, there are 3 locomotives. And as you can see, there are different paint schemes. And that's because, well, this locomotive paint scheme doesn't exist anymore. 9517 is no longer around. It is repainted to the CPKC paint scheme, which is red, black, and yellow and white. All in all, the box is so nice. We will be reviewing everything that we will be doing with the model. I will do videos with this locomotive. On to the other side of the engine. My favorite side of all the trains. So, over here, you actually have a better view of the aerial dynamic. Wind visors, you even have a little warning sign for fire extinguisher. Now, one thing I do have to appreciate on this, and I do want to point that out to my mom and dad for making this possible, is that this model is extremely expensive. Athearn Genesis locomotives can go up prices to $200 to $600. I want to thank also my school as well, because I passed my Regents exam. That's how I got the model. As you can see, the locomotive is very detailed. And now I do also want to point out something. These locomotives are not toys. I don't derail my trains on accident. I do them on purpose, but I do them carefully and planned. I don't jab them with metal or anything. So this is the Athearn Genesis locomotive, and I will now show you the box of this beauty. This is the 3D design of the locomotive that I bought. It is an AC4400 9517 Athearn Genesis LED. There's the price tag. Now, something I do want to go over again with my modeling is I have friends who like to play with models, and I do want to tell them that models aren't toys. They're highly detailed and they're highly expensive. Now, this model looks a lot like the beaver one that I had. The story with the beaver one is I accidentally dropped it in a river by my friend's house. It was a stupid mistake, and that was also an Athearn Genesis locomotive. That was a $100 locomotive and gone. This one I'm going to keep safe. This is a very expensive locomotive. As you can see, the detailing on the front, you got the air lines, you got the couplers, you have the top there, top of the locomotive. You also have movable chains, I believe. Are those chains? Yeah, those chains are movable. I'm not sure if you see that, but those chains can definitely move. Now, this book that I got along with it, we will be taking a look at now. I will put the model off to the side. But this book, this Canadian Pacific book, is a very nice book. I have not looked at it yet, so you guys and I will look at it together. This is a very nice photo. I will prop this up so that you guys can see how nice it looks. Sorry about the glare there. But as you can see, sort of, there's the CP rail flag paint scheme with the grain train. Now, initially when I got this, the book mentioned something about their paint schemes. And this is actually a reading book. This isn't more of like pictures. This is also a reading book. As you can see, there are photos. There's another photo of them in the night. And there's a photo of a grain car. There you go. There's a nice photo of the Rockies for you. Here's the snow-capped Rockies. There's some more photos. Now, this book, my mom ordered as well. I saw this at a library and thought, you know, I might as well just order it and my own copy. But one photo I like in here, and I wonder if they do have here. This is the photo I like the most. This was a fairly nice photo. It is a Canadian Pacific grain train, and as you can see, it is CP in the Pac-Man logo. Ah, yes, the three triplets: Norfolk Southern, Canadian Pacific, and I think that's the Delaware and Hudson. And there's a grain train up on a hill there. On a oh, that is a beautiful photo. That is a spectacular photo of grain cars stacked on that bridge with a AC44 leading, of course. I hope you guys enjoyed your time together here. I will thank all those who helped me pass my regions, who also helped me get this model. I thank them a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and follow for more content of when I will now change my channel. I will change my channel to the number of this train. So pause the video, take a photo of the number of this train. That is the number of my channel. But everything else will stay the same. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.